Hello everyone, welcome back again. So today our agenda is that a few other topics in project management accounting. So let's get started. We covered all the transactions like hour journal, expense journal, fee journal, item, beginning balance journal in the last session. So let's go to project management module. So we'll proceed with project adjustment transactions. So if you want to do any adjustment to the transactions, how you can proceed with that? How to do the adjustment for the transactions? So we'll take same example which we already posted few transactions for the one of the project. So we'll do the changes to the same transaction so that you'll easily recognize what we are doing. So to do the adjustment for the transactions, go to periodic. There will be two ways. Go to particular specific project and or we have periodic. There is adjust transactions. First we'll proceed with going to the project transactions. So how to go to all projects, select your project, and under manage tab we have project posted transactions. These are very basic topics in the project management accounting that we are learning together in these sessions. So 155, this is the first project we posted few transactions at the first session of this project management accounting. Okay, these many transactions we have, and we have process tab here, adjust transactions. On date you need to select adjustment date. So I'm taking the today's date as adjustment date. Okay, I'm not giving any changes in this particular form. I'm just clicking OK. You'll get one more form there. You can do the adjustments what you want to do. So this is actual entry, and we have below one more form. And for example, you have posted to PM, right? Category you posted to PM, but you need uh, you supposed to post different project by mistake or something. While posting the entry, maybe you wrongly taken the PM. So to correct that, you can select the different category. I am taking the service. Once the service selected, I'm just clicking the post button directly after changing the category. Okay. So now see here, we got message saying that transaction updated for transaction ID. This one. So let's go back and check the transactions. Okay. So if you see here, this is the newly posted transaction. I guess no. So see here, these two, not these two, this one. This is the one we just corrected it to the service, and we have adjust trace as well here. So this is the adjustment trace for this particular transaction. You can go and check the voucher from this screen as well. So this is the one, project cost and WAP. And if you go first in this line, you have this project WAP project cost, but this is PM category. Okay, so you can see here minus and positive. I filtered with our journal. So this is plus, and we system is automatically reversing the transaction which you posted to the PM category because you are adjusting that particular transaction, right? So it's whatever the transaction debit credit, it will be now credit debit for the PM category. And service category, one more transaction has been booked. One more transaction has been booked. Okay. So sorry, one more transaction has been booked with as we are changing the category to service. So next, one more topic. As I said, we can adjust the transaction from the project uh, form itself to the specific project and posted transactions, then adjustment. We have one more method for adjusting the transactions, that is from the periodic tab. Periodic, and we have adjust transactions. So it will come this screen with empty transactions or empty lines. But when you click this uh, select option, you'll get the all list of transactions available, or you can select the what type of transactions you want to adjust. Currently I'm doing for time and material project, right? My project is time and material, so I'm selecting only time and material project, and I am selecting maybe have a expense item fee, these journals I want. And so adjustment date and project date. So from date and to date I'll give August 2nd and 4th, so that it will come very few transactions, so that we can easily recognize, or you can select the project that you want to do the adjustment from this periodic. So I'll take only one project that we already posted the transactions, so that we can recognize easily. So this is the project we created and we did some transactions and we are testing on this. So only this project transactions will appear during this period. The criteria you have selected, based on that it will show us to do the adjustment. So you can do multiple adjustments as well. For example, if you select three lines, and if you want to change the line property to billable, you can do that as well. Once you click OK, it will come to the next form. So if you go with one by one line, this line it will show one transaction when we select the first line, and you can change the category as well. So you can do the category changes as well, but I changed only line property while doing the adjustment. I can post it. So, okay. So pending for adjustment. The posted one gone from the screen. If you post this one, this will also exit from this particular form. So these two are already selected for adjustment. So three lines. So I'm posting all the three lines, it's went off here. If you go to that particular posted transactions, you will get this list of adjustments there. We just changed the line property, so that's why it won't create any transactions for reversal. It will come for billing. Instead of that, it will come from come for billing. So this is the project and posted transactions, filter with hover. See, adjusted, only one is there. These three we changed to chargeable. These three. Okay. There is no negative transaction and all. That stuff is not there because we adjusted only the whether it is billable or non-billable. Okay, got it. So I hope you understood this concept. Uh, okay, let's go to parameters to see few fields. See here, allow adjust transactions of transaction status. So, what type of transactions is allowed for adjustment? Posted, invoice proposal ones, invoiced one also if you want to adjust, you can do that, and estimated if it is there. Elimination if you want to adjust, you can do that if you enable these fields. Okay, and we have always create adjustment transactions. If you want to enable this one, you can enable it when you have the requirement. Okay, so coming to next concept, I'll show from here itself. So it is validations, project validations. Validation is nothing but controlling or recording the transactions for the work, hours, expenses, item, tasks, etc. So there are three types of validation: worker as worker and project, project category, category and worker. So these are the three types of validations we have. So to enable those validations, first of all, you need to go to project management accounting parameters, and the general tab we have somewhere validation here. Sorry, here these are the three types: project category, resource project category, resource. Okay. So worker project, project category, resource project, resource category. So these are the three types we have, and we have three options here. None means nothing, no validation required, and mandatory means it must and should, and lookup means it will take from the project. validation form. So if it is lookup, it will show the project applicable categories, and if it is mandatory, it will show all the categories available in the system. So we'll proceed with one first, and maybe you can do your testings in your system with other concepts. None anyway, there will be no validation. Maybe I'll try with lookup value. It is project and category lookup. Okay, so let's close it. Okay, let's go to the project that we have created. Okay, this is our project. In this project, I'll try to create our journal again. So I just given 5 hours here and try to save it, and I'll validate this one. Journal is okay. If I click category for this project, it's showing everything. Let me go and save one more time. I think it's not refreshed yet. Our project category validations already available. Mm, okay, meanwhile, I'll try to post it. Control F. Sorry, this is product management. What is the project group that we selected? TM no WIP for our project. Project resource category work. So validations. It's taking too much time. These are reports, sorry. Project category validation groups. Let's check it out. Hmm, our project is 155. So category, what is this? Category group or category? So I think it's refresh issue. Let me do it again. I'll go with expense journal. So project this one, category, we are able to select it. Nothing selected. Hello. What happening? What's happening? Parameters. Project category lookup. Think any Okay, let me change to mandatory. Try this. It's supposed to give an error message when the project category validation is not available. We'll go to human resource management, or maybe from project management accounting. Deleting this line under resource list. It's taking a lot of time. I'll give Julia some person. Julia Funderburg here. You can assign the projects, assign the categories from this level as well. You can assign it from here. See which project, validation group, over. So I'm going to parameters to change it mandatory instead of lookup. This is project category. So let's keep on validating. So I'm not sure why it is not giving an error message. Let's go to project. So here enable category validation. So I just given the enabling category validation for this project, and let's create the expense journal now. Fill the data and validate the journal. So see here, the combination of project and category is mandatory but does not contains the project category travel. So category not available for this project. So see here, nothing is showing. It is not defined. So that's why it's giving the error message. Then what we need to do is that to solve this, let's delete the line. So this is what I want to show you. So that's why I tried it. Mandatory, and this field we missed, this setup we missed. So that's why we are not able to replicate the issue. But now anyway, we got the we got which step is missed. We enable this one, and while creating the journal itself, we are getting the error message. Coming to how to solve it, go to manage tab. Oh, sorry, plan tab. Assign categories. Here, group level you can give, or maybe category level you can give. Let me select only one. So now this project is assigned with this particular category validation. Let's do the expense journal now. So click on drop down. See, we can see only one which is assigned to that particular project. You don't have option to select it. Select the other because another other categories are not assigned to this particular project. Okay, let's go with one more scenario by changing to lookup. Previously it's lookup not worked because we didn't enable the category validation at the project level. Let me take new one instead of that. Let's save this and close it. So it's showing the same travel category. Okay, so this is the way you can validate project category, project resource, and resource category. So you can assign the projects to the resource as well from the human resource module or from the project management module from the resource list page. From here you can assign it. And same way, if you mention the validate a resource as well, you need to enable the resource functionality. Let me give all the three validations required, then I'll go with all mandatory things. Save and close. Let me delete this. New. Travel is coming because we already assigned to that particular project. I don't give any resource now. As of now, I'll book only 7,000. Try to validate. validate. It's validating successfully. Let's go back. Let me refresh the URL. A parameter level, whatever you are mentioning, that is applicable for, it is a general configuration. If you want to enable the validation for the particular project, then you can enable from the project master. It's very slow actually. Maybe next session I'll try to improve this system speedness, but not guaranteed. This is our project. So if you want to assign the resources, you can do it from here, or you want to group from the validation group, you can group here. So I'm assigning this person to the validation session. Yeah, I think system is very slow actually. So maybe I'll try to cover remaining things in the next session. So it's very slow, but it's not at all good to explain. So I'll stop here so today we discussed adjustments and validations. So three types of validations we have: worker, project, project category, category resource. There are three types of project categories. Okay, we'll discuss later bit. Maybe I'll cover this validation if possible one more time, because system it is very slow and not able to explain it uh, both the ways, like input and output. Okay, I'll stop here. Thank you.